We're back. Connor is trying to purchase another hot rod.
You know, it's gonna be going from must be nice to be rich to must have been nice to be rich.
We are on the way to the gentleman's house. What's his name?
His name's Lionel. He's got an absolute rig. So, I've been hunting for one of these baddies for about, well, a little over a year. Yeah, about a year. A couple have come up, a couple decent ones, but they're usually too overpriced for what I want to do with it. So this guy's had this car for 24 years, just like the last guy that I was chatting with, and he's the second owner. So if all goes well here today, we had 3-owner car that's like over 60 years old, and just in time for me to chop it up and make it real nice. So,
is it safe to say that this would be Herb's replacement?
This would be Herb's replacement. This is exactly what I was talking about in the video when I mentioned I sold that truck for a reason. So yeah, funny enough, I seen Herb today, still looking good.
Oh really?
Guy loves that truck, and I have been longing for its replacement. So yeah, we're gonna pull up here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to film anything there, but yeah, if I come home with this car, it will be
keep dropping hints. Keep saying
it'll
this,
be something.
This.
It's got 4 doors, 4 tires. It's from the 50s, and it's basically the most expensive, nicest car you could have bought as like an average Joe in 1957. It's pink, it's two-tone, and
1957, and it's a car.
It's a car. It's a big boat.
And it's Herb's replacement.
Yeah, so you'll see here.
Does not sound anything like Herb.
Not yet.
He's already laid eyes upon it. He's pretty bricked.
Oh boy.
Let's see it.
Let's turn off the hot rod.
And go purchase another one.